Every human being's purpose is to seek enlightenment. Where am I going? I am going from less enlightenment to more enlightenment to most possible enlightenment. That is my travel. How should we write? How should we interact with persons? How should we sleep? How should we eat? What should we eat? What should we see? What should we think? What to read? What not to read? All this constitutes enlightenment. So we seek every given moment to be a better writer, to be a better reader, to be a better speaker, to be a better community person, social person, everything. That is called as Buddham Sharanam Gachhami.